Welcome! In this SiD Teacher Login tutorial, you will learn how to deactivate a student's contact information. Sometimes a student moves and doesn't give a new address, or they can't be reached at any phone number or email they once had. Those outdated details can be deactivated on the student info screen. First, we need to find the student record that needs to be updated. Click the blue Students tab at the top of the screen. Today we're going to deactivate some contact information for Agnes Beacon. Let's find her record by typing a few characters of her last name. From the results, click the row with her name. That will bring us to Agnes's student summary screen. Notice that she has an address and 2 phone numbers. We're going to turn off the address and a secondary phone number so they don't show up here anymore. Click the Info tab. On the Student's Info screen, we're going to focus on the personal data history. 3 of the sections, address, phone, and email, have checkboxes. When selected, all of the items in the section will be deactivated. It's a way to show that none of the items are current anymore. Deactivated items are not deleted. They are part of the student's historical record, and we want to keep them. Agnes no longer lives at either of the addresses listed on her record, and she doesn't have a new address yet. For now, we're going to check the Addresses Are Not Active box. The Deactivate Phone checkboxes are a little different. That's because a student can have 2 different phone numbers, one primary and one secondary. Look at the primary column. One number shows a yes and the other says no. The yes means the associated number is a primary number, one that should be used first when trying to contact the student. The no in the primary column indicates a secondary number, a number that might be used if the student can't be reached at the main number. Let's say Agnes told us that she no longer has the 9999 phone number. To hide that number from the student summary screen, check the box in front of Secondary Numbers Are Not Active. Let's check out our changes. Here's a before and after shot of the details on the Student Summary tab. The street address, city, state, and zip are now blank, and the deactivated 9999 secondary phone number no longer appears. You may be wondering how to turn off or deactivate the deactivate feature. We can easily take care of that on the info screen. To turn off the deactivate feature, just uncheck the box in the desired section, like this. When we uncheck the Deactivate Addresses box, the most recent address, the one on Bridgewater Road, will be reactivated. It will then appear on the summary screen. Now you know how to deactivate and reactivate student contact info. Thanks for joining us. For help with this or any other SiD-related feature, send us an email at the address on the screen.